Guys, so I'm gonna try this vlogging thing out. Today I'm going to Afropunk and I'm gonna try and vlog the entire experience. Try to vlog the entire experience. But it's 9:47 right now and I need to get ready because the train leaves at 11:26 and I take forever to get ready, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm dressed. Okay, so yeah, we were late, but we're gonna catch the next one. See, like, I'm trying to vlog and he doesn't believe in me, but I think I can do it. Anyways, it's a fit, you know what I'm saying? It's a fit, looking real basic. You just, you know, I'm gonna go here. But yeah. Talk to you guys in a few. Say hi, Brittany.
If you are traveling to an active terminal, please walk west on the front of the platform.
On our way.
The safety is important to us.
We are on our way. Hey guys. No guys? Okay, no. Okay.
Oh my bad. Damn,
that's okay.
I didn't know.
It's all good. We are walking to the place. I can't really see. Ooh, that highlight's like.
Do you have tattoos? No.
Yeah,
So
but
you
we
don't
on
have
our
any
way.
tattoos either, right?
No.
Oh my god.
I was supposed to get one.
I want to get my first one for my birthday.
Now we gotta wait on this long line. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna just go. I'm here now. They had the entry go like Saturday passes and then weekend passes. My friends got weekend passes, but I only got a Saturday pass. So I'm the first one out and everybody else got weekend passes, so I'm just waiting for them now. But yeah, you know, we living or whatever. You know, we cute and black and whatever.
I gotta carry him.
So listen, man. I smoke a lot of weed and I think that shit is so beautiful. So I wrote a song about motherfucking beautiful. I think that shit is sing it.
It's mad loud, but this drink is like pineapple juice. That's literally it, like it's just pineapple juice. And they put it like in the actual pineapple and it's just so refreshing. If you're gonna do like these big music festivals and stuff, like you need to have hydration because when you're out like just standing in the hot ass sun, you're gonna get dehydrated like crazy. So stay hydrated. She got nerves showing up this late. I'm so tired. I wish I could come back tomorrow, but you know, such is life. I came back from a great time. Great, you know, she enjoyed herself. It was a cute moment. And I had fun, sort of. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you next year or whatever. So I'm back in bed. Literally, like, since it's my first time vlogging, I would like forget to really vlog every single thing, or at least, yeah, like, I don't know. Like, it was kind of hard to like keep track of everything and remember to like vlog it. So, but basically we just stayed and watched a lot of different sets. We saw her set, we saw Smino, we saw Miguel, we saw the internet, and we saw Kaytranada. I think that's everyone relevant, at least to me. So yeah. Oh, we saw Daniel Caesar too. But yeah, like all overall, today was pretty good. Yeah, I had fun. And yeah. So hopefully I can continue to vlog these adventures that I have and different stuff that I do, because I really want to get into it. So thanks, you guys. Thanks for watching. And I sound so tired right now because I literally am. Like, we were in the field for like 12 hours straight, just in the field, like boiling hot with a bunch of people just around. It was like, yeah, so I'm beat. But yeah, so like and subscribe, you know, like and subscribe this video, like and subscribe to me, like this video, you know. I'm just doing what I do, trying to live my life. Thanks for watching.